Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Quick Settings. Swipe down twice from the top edge so everything is visible. Press and hold the settings gear icon for around 5 seconds until it spins and releases. This triggers the hidden toggle. Once done, you'll see a small confirmation message telling you the System UI tuner was added to settings. This happens because Android reveals the tuner via that long press. Make sure you use the system gear, not a shortcut tile, so the hidden menu can be enabled. You now open Settings and either search for System UI Tuner or scroll to Advanced/More settings where Samsung sometimes places it. Tap the tuner entry to see sections such as Status Bar, Do Not Disturb, and Navigation or Battery Hints. These controls let you hide icons, change behavior, or adjust display elements. When you make changes, use the provided toggles and drag handles to reorder items and confirm each choice. This is where you shape what the top bar shows and how. Finish by confirming your selections and backing out of settings. Many changes take effect immediately, while some require a quick reboot. If you don't see System UI Tuner after the long press, Samsung may hide it. Use ADB on a computer with USB debugging. ADB shell settings put Secure SysUI Tuner enabled one to enable it. If options still fail to show, reboot the phone or toggle airplane mode to force the system UI to refresh. This often resolves glitches, so your customizations appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.